Now on this side, we have the residence lounge. Now this lounge is for every local resident and also visitors. There's also a shower and a bathroom here. And there's a cinema theater here that you can book. And then if we go in here, we have got a pool table. Now this is a residence lounge for both casual visitors, holiday makers, and for permanent residents, whereas the one on level 4 is for permanent residents only. But as you can see, this is a Sunday and there's nobody using it, and during the week it's even more quiet. And you've got a fridge, microwave, and out here is the beautiful Zen garden. Once again, you get sun up here most of the day, virtually all day, and you have more barbecues here. And as you can see, it's a Sunday, it's lunchtime, 1 o'clock, and it's empty. It's all beautiful landscape. There's even a teppanyaki bar here that you can just come and use anytime you want. We've had Christmases there, here. You've got a herb garden that you can come and use at any time. There's coriander, there's basil, dill, chives. On this side, you've got some pumpkins, lemons. So it's all kind of like a garden that you can eat. And yeah, there's more herbs over here. So I'll turn the video off and I'll show you the gym in a minute.